under, the boy is under the box. He lay down under the shade of a tree. Above, the bone is above the dog. We were flying above of the cloud. On, the book is on the table. He is sitting on the chair. In, the cat is sleeping in the box. The ball is in the box. Among, she is sitting among the boxes. I often feel nervous when I'm among the stranger. Near, the ball is near the dog. The museum is near the hotel. Next to, I want to sit next to Crush in class. The seat next to her was vacant. Between, I sat between my two best friends and read a book. In front of, the car is in front of the building. The teacher is standing in front of the class. Behind, the boy is behind the tree. She ran off and hid behind her mother. far. He lives too far from here to walk home. The restaurant is far from the hospital. Beside, next to. The book is beside the lamp. He sit down beside the fire.